Welcome back to Flowing with the Family. Today, I'm me and Ciana. She just got this, I think, yesterday, and now we're gonna open it.
Me,
Yeah, mommy got it for her. But we. So this is how it looks. So this is the first one. Ooh, candy. This is lollipop. Look, no, Ciana, we're showing them. Show them. Hold it. Show them. Let's give it to me.
Yeah.
This is hot cookies. Now give it back to me. Give it to me. Oh, it is. And now cookie Oreo. Show.
Yellow.
Watermelon. See watermelon. Show him. Good job. Good job. No. Ciana. Wait, you need to wait. Yeah. Get cookie. No, go just show him, Ciana. Ciana, show him. Now give it to me. Wait, can I flip it right here? Lemon. See lemon? Show it to them. Ooh, donut. Donut, show him. Show him. Say donut. Okay, now I'm going to show you the different things. Now, Ciana, I'm going to take them out. Can I take them out?
Yeah.
Sprinkles. Candies. And these. So now we're going to get started. Mommy. Wait, can you help me? I can't open the slimes. They have wrappers on it. Okay, I'll stop it. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, I got it. I think I got this. Huh? That was Ciana. Ooh, this one looks cool. This one looks cool, Ciana. Ready? Let's put that down. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Smell it. It smells like candy. So this is the first one. Ciana, you can make a bubble. You want to see Kay's make a bubble for you? So you guys, let me show Ciana's. You want to see something? Look, can I show you first? Show them. Look, we're showing them. Smell you. Ciana, that's not only yours, you're sharing. Stop eating me. I'm eating it. So, now I'm going to get this cookie Oreo going. It'll be a mess?
Yeah.
But Ciana, that's why when you make slime, you put... Ooh, look! White Oreo. Oh my gosh, it smells like good. Oh my gosh. Okay, Ciana, you're doing good. Great job. It looks like the ocean. What I'm gonna do is put it like this. See, this is pretty fun. Look, let me take it. Now what I'm gonna do is add these balls. And Ciana, what you do when you want to add something, pull it, take it out, put some stuff in it. No, can I open it?
Mom.
And Ciana, we're just figuring what to do, okay? I think you have to see because put it in your slime.
Mama.
You want me to help you? First thing I gotta do is put these things. Ew, these keep. Sorry guys. It goes everywhere. That's what happens. I'm really proud of Ciana right now. She put her slime. Put this stuff in. keep making a mess. Ciana, but say accidents. Happen. Say happen. Say happen. Say happen. So now I got my slime. Some cool stuff in it. Ooh, my slime has a bunch of it. Wow, I have a bunch. Ciana. I think mine's gonna be the best. Oh my gosh. I'm really doing good at Ciana. So whoever doesn't have anything in it, again, if you want to come to my house, but I'm not telling you. So this is gonna be a nice video. Not a nice. So can I add more?
Yeah.
You want me to put some in yours? You don't, oh no, I can't really see. The first thing I'm gonna do is put some in mine. Well, I got a big one. Almost made a mess. So what you want me to do? And then you're gonna like twist it around like that. Good job. And you guys, I'm gonna add some more to mine. And if it spills in the box, I'm fine with it. I'm okay with it. Ooh, I'm gonna put some chocolates in here. Would you like one? Which one do you want? Which one do you want?
No.
No, that's too much sugar. You want a donut?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's cute. So here's a donut. So now I'm gonna put mine. Gonna have a lemon. So that was a good stretch, Ciana. Let me try mine. And Ciana, let me put stuff in it. That's cute. I'm gonna put some more. Put this in there. I'm gonna put some sprinkles. Raise your hand if you like sprinkles. I love sprinkles. Sprinkle. Yeah. There we go. This is gonna make a party. And if you guys haven't ate ice cream before, it's really good. Now I need to stop it. I don't know how to stop it. Listen. So good. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna get another one for me and Ciana. So both of us have a donut. And Ciana, we could keep this if we wanted.
Okay.
Who wants the balls? You want them?
Yeah.
Well, they do have some black things with them. They make them cool. Okay. Don't worry. Don't mess with it. Don't mess with it. Ciana! Ciana, watch my friend slide over your head. Your hair. Oh my gosh, I'm sure okay, you guys, I'm just gonna open it like this. Easy. Okay, I'm gonna put some more sprinkles because you know your girl. Oh my gosh, you put so many. You want some?
Yeah.
And if nobody likes sprinkles, then it is. And somebody likes a bunch of sprinkles, everybody likes. Oh my gosh, I feel mine's thing. You guys. It looks like a full nothing. So. Say hi. Oh. It's okay, Ciana. It's okay. Oh my god. Ciana, you want some?
Yeah.
Yeah, yours has a bunch. Mine. Since you like, if you like sprinkles, comment down below. But I love sprinkles. Yeah, it's got the golden ones. Hers. Oh, I got a golden one. You guys, mine's is looking the best one. Okay, I'm just showing you. Ciana, no, this time. Ciana, don't do it. I have like, oh Ciana, can you come back here for them to see you instead of being over there?
Yeah.
I can make some out of
Yay!
You're beautiful. So simple. Yes, it's amazing. It's a slime shop. There you go. So yeah. I saw some people I watch them. I watch on YouTube, but they did something. What do I need it? I don't know, guys. Oh my god, this is oh my gosh. It is so cool. Look, you guys. Look at this. I'm crazy. This is crazy. So, Ciana, I beat you. So, say Kadynce beat me. See, I'm happy. Because she did it. See, because she did it. Okay, now I'm gonna do the next one. Watermelon. Watermelon. Ciana, so these, a couple can be yours, okay? So we're both gonna make some cups. These two can be yours, okay? These two are cookies. These two can be mine. Oh, I got the cool one. Okay, Ciana, wait, gotta do yours more. Oh, I got. Oh, they smell good. It smells like a bubble. No, sell your milk in it.
Yeah.
Yes, Ciana, you can just mix them up. You don't always like some. Oh, it's cookies. Watermelon. I have watermelon. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. So good! So now I know what I'm going to put in it. Ciana, you did a great stretch. Since it's watermelon kind, I'm going to put a watermelon. So now what I'm going to do is put a lemon. Oh no, that can stay for me. And if you see some which has those things in it. See, no, that's not yellow. This is pink. Oops. There's things in mine! Sounds crazy. Uh-oh. Pink face chicken. And I'm not even looking at the camera because I'm focusing on my things. You guys are thinking that I'm thinking about school right now. I don't know. I go to school now. I go to school. I go to school. I'm gonna put these cool things in there. Things. No, Ciana, you still gotta do more. You wanna put more things in it?
Yeah.
You can put. Okay, I'll get you.
Yeah.
Okay, check this. You want this? No, this is mine. You want a cookie? Cookie. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get the most. See, I'm gonna be the one who's getting the most. Okay, I'm gonna get I think yes. I think mine's. Oh, now you wanna talk, girl? Oh, now you talking. Oh, Ciana, you can have that. I'm putting more than me. Adding up on you. Okay, now I'm just gonna stretch it out. Okay. So now, oh, I teached her. So now say love you. That's the greatest thing I've ever seen. Ciana now learned some things I showed her. I can't tell you what it is. It's on the secret. Love you, hands. I'm gonna say so now that I have the most, clearly the most. Oh, Ciana, you just mixed them together. Yes, you did. Ciana, now you can have this one. Now you can go 5. Oh, that smells like it. It smells. And when you first get it, it's like a bubble, right? Ooh, it's dark. Have fun. Ciana, I don't know what to say, but you mixed them up. I don't know what to say. Say Mickey. Baby. Bebe. By bubble. I got a bubble. I got a bubble. I love your slime. Ciana, you shouldn't be mixing. Close it. This is gonna be hard. Let's look at it, Ciana. And you guys, I know you like that. You guys know I like lemons. They are sour. Ciana, that looks sick. Why did I even bother you? It looks sick, girl. It looks like the moon. Yeah, you did a great job, girl. Wow! You did a great job, Ciana. Oh my gosh, it smells sour. Okay, now it smells. Now that it sounds nice. And it starts light, then you get down. Kadynce loves. I love slapping. That's my thing. Look at all the high stretches. Oh my gosh. You guys, now, hey, that's mine.
Hey, Mama!
You got a big one. I'm gonna put this. Guys, yeah. I'm burying it for nobody. You guys, and I can make like a bar stretch. Okay, I can put in the cup. See that? Oopsie. You know, we can make food for mommy and daddy. This is not really like. Let's make ice cream. Listen, you wanna make ice cream? Okay, now I'm gonna do is put some things in it because you don't want to get it like messed up, right, sister? So yeah, mama.
Yeah, Mama.
That's great, sister. So you guys, and this is so pretty because I never did this before, like rattling around. And Ciana, I've been with, actually, I'm the most annoying. I'm not really lying because I've been learning to do it. I was thinking about it at school, I was thinking about it at home, I was thinking about it every day. Thinking about it. Oh my gosh, it's coming off of me. Don't. You guys, look at my home. Look at my bracelet. It's a rattlesnake. So cool, Daddy. This is my mom. I was mostly a rattlesnake, Daddy. So now, it's all over me. So now that I got that off my hand, I got an idea. So I'm gonna push stretch it out so you guys see it's nice and straight, circle, flat, like a plate. Oh, we did have waffles today. So now what I'm gonna do is this. This means yeah. We're just playing. Sorry, that's my mom. She's really nice. She's really nice. She's really nicer than yours. See what you doing, baby? Ciana's actually my bestie. She was actually just doing that and then she's supposed to be my bestie. Hey! That's mine! Ciana, don't take other things. Okay? Okay, Papa.
Mine.
Ciana! Ciana, that's can you want this one?
Yeah.
But you're not messing it up, right? But don't make a mess with it, okay? Don't be like, don't eat it, okay? Play with it. You don't like the germs. You don't like the germs. You don't like germs. So you guys, I'm just getting ready to eat out my slime. And then I'm leaving. Hey, what are you doing? Don't eat it. Stop. Yes. Stop it. Don't put it in your mouth. Don't do that, Ciana. Don't do that. No, I'm just gonna happier. Yeah. Almost. Ciana! You just mixed my slime up. What's wrong? So Ciana left mine. Well, this one's gonna be my best one. No, 3, 2, 1. Oh! It didn't even make the bubble. Now. It smells like donuts. I can't even lie. It smells like coffee donut. I can't lie.
Donut.
Oh, snap. There's some more Ow. Since it's like this, it's stretchy. So right now, I'm gonna put some of the ingredients. Now you know we're running out of ingredients. Where's she about to do it off? Ciana has been to the potty a bunch of times, so I'm really glad of her. That's where she got all these pieces. Yeah, you did. And now I'm gonna twist it up. And you get the fine feeling way down low. Stop what you're doing and go. That's the music Ciana gets when she needs to enter the bathroom. And the other night she just said, I need to go poo. And she went right to the bathroom. I did that. Oh, that's it? Yeah. Okay, let's go. I'm going to So now I'm going to do it again. Keep going. It's like a little part. Keep going. You guys really need to fall. But then you can. So that's what I have That's delicious. I'm gonna put this on finish it, guys. It's like, well, don't eat it. Write it around. It's not available to eat it, that's right, Ciana. So nobody will be able to sneak in rides. Actually, Ciana, I got an idea. Lemon. Oh, we can do that at the end. Ciana, you almost done?
No.
I'm almost done, so see, guys, you guys might not have seen that, but her slime bus just came over there. So I'm trying to get it. First one. We're almost done. Mom, I'm showing the slime. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And see us next time. And get